guy's name that won.
Such a nice guy.
Oh, Justin. He just checked in Justin.
There he is right there.
Like he...
Oh, bounce it, bounce it! Oh, no! No, don't crash! Whoa!
1 Sierra Bravo going around. 1 Sierra Bravo, Roger, coming.
This pilot lost both front wheels right after takeoff, which made for a very messy landing.
Look at the back of the plane, man. Uh-oh. No, no, no. Shoot. 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 Shoot.
He's moving so fast. Oh my god. Oh! It's not stopping. Oh. Oh my god. Dude, that is badass.
A routine landing turned into $1 million disaster for this fighter pilot.
Oh, he just crashed. Oh. Oh.
On its first attempt, this plane shattered both landing gears, forcing a belly landing on the second attempt.
Our blown tire! Roll the trucks, roll the trucks, roll the trucks! They're on fire!
We had a blown tire, require...
This pilot in St. Bart's came in with way too much speed, and this happened.
Whoa! Crap.
both engines failed mid-flight, this pilot had no choice but to attempt an emergency landing on a crowded road. Watch closely. The moment this plane touches down, both rear landing wheels fail instantly.
Viene bien, viene bien. Viene bien. Viene bien. Vamos a aterrizar. Sí, señor.
Plane had a malfunction and had to land in the middle of a golf course in Australia.
Okay. I'm moving. I'm not.
Taking the grass vector here, we've got the two vectors, parallel runways, grass and seal. Lovely touchdown there by Arthur Davey, our local pilot in the Yak 3. Ran for oh, that's not looking good.
This pilot's engine stopped working in the middle of the flight, but luckily he had a parachute, so he decided to just let the plane land itself. And this is how planes land by themselves. A wrong tilt by this fighter pilot sent the jet into flames, but miraculously he made it out alive.
Oh my flipping heck! Wow! I'm surprised that's not a touch and go, mate.
One straight, one straight.
passengers of this Ryanair flight had not paid their soft landing fee.
She went fast.
That's why we have a lot of safety here with the distance from the runway.
This plane's right engine blew up a few minutes after takeoff, but luckily for the passengers, the extinguisher inside the engine worked as intended and they were able to perform a successful emergency landing.
Holy sh!
During an airshow in Poland, this fighter pilot made a too steep dive.
Ach du Scheiße.